Okay, so for this week's exercise, or the qaida that we're working on, is just continuing on the one that we were doing. Gege tete gege nana gege tete gege nana. By now you should have all the partes and the tehai that you need to finish this qaida. I'm just going to recite it and then show how to play it. So the theme, as I just recited earlier, gege tete gege nana gege tete gege nana. That's the first, that's the theme. How to play that is just gege with index finger first and then the middle two, just like that. Make sure that this bottom of your palm, your wrist, stays by the shai around here. You don't want it in the air. You don't want it all the way over here. You want it right here. And then you can play accordingly, just like that. So gege, and then when you're playing tete, you want to hit the center like that. Tete with these fingers first, these three, and then the index. Make sure you're sitting up straight and this part does not touch the gajra. And that's when you're playing nana. Ring finger stays on the medan, and ring finger on the medan and na on the kinar. Nothing else touches the tabla. Maybe your pinky, but nothing else. This part does not touch the gajra. Make sure you're sitting up straight. That helps. Just like that. Na na. Okay, so ge ge te te ge ge. So when you're playing keke, it's just you want to keep your wrist down, and then make sure you're hitting the kinar over here. It doesn't matter if you're hitting it like this or like this, as long as you're hitting the kinar out here. That's all it is. So the whole thing sounds like this. First palta is gege tete gege tete gege tete gege nana keke tete keke tete gege tete gege nana. Very simple. The second palta, gege tete tete gege tete tete gege nana keke tete tete gege tete tete gege nana. Third palta, gege tete gege nana tete tete gege tete gege nana keke nana tete tete gege tete gege nana. After that comes the tehai. Tehai is very simple, based off of the theme gege tete gege nana. The only new thing in the tehai is a new phrase dha, which is just playing na and ge together. That becomes dha. So whenever you're playing it, make sure you keep the ring finger down. Some of you don't do that. Keep that ring finger down. Only then will you get that clean sound. Otherwise you'll get an open sound. You want this nice clean sound. Otherwise you'll kind of incorporate the thin in there, the open thin. Okay, so the tehai is gege tete gege nana da. One. Gege tete gege nana da. Gege tete gege nana da. Okay, so how to play that is pretty simple. Gege tete gege nana and then da. So that's it. Now what you want to do is you want to play this whole qaida. Play the theme, all three parte and the tehai multiple times without messing up. Once you can do that at a comfortable speed, then you can speed up to where you feel comfortable. But the goal is to have that clarity and slowly increase speed. Work on that for this week.